Beyond imagination, such terrifying power. Brandstrom's Transport's heavy-duty tow truck with a 600 horsepower engine roars to life as it pulls the accident-stricken timber truck. With its superior power, the tow truck effortlessly takes on the challenge, pulling the heavy truck out of the dangerous situation, creating an impressive and powerful scene. Next, the Doosan Moxie MIMT 41 ADT machine, with its powerful 400 horsepower engine, dumps the load in the wrong direction while working, causing the machine to tip over. The massive power of the machine isn't enough to maintain balance, creating a dangerous, intense scene as the equipment loses control on the construction site. Witness the Volvo FH16 truck with a 750 horsepower engine conquering narrow roads, towing the massive Caterpillar 349E excavator. The extraordinary power of the truck combined with its exceptional load-bearing capacity creates a magnificent sight, showcasing the progress of the transportation industry. Unbelievable, the power of it.
Look at that.
With a 500 horsepower engine, the excavator is as strong as a mechanical monster, easily crushing an Audi in an instant. The enormous crane, with superior strength, strikes down on the car, turning it into a pile of scrap metal in the blink of an eye, creating a terrifying and dramatic scene. Don't forget to leave a comment with number 1 if you want to keep exploring the impressive power of these modern machines. With a powerful engine, the modular axles, including a total of 21 axles, transport the rotor shaft from Goshinen to Kriens. The exceptional strength of the system handles the heavy load with ease, navigating through narrow roads effortlessly, creating an impressive and highly technical sight. Unbelievable. The power of it. The most powerful excavator, with a gigantic engine and incredible strength, easily crushes and destroys the car in just a few seconds. Its enormous crane strikes down, deforming the car, creating a dangerous and brutal scene. Witnessing the Tesmec 308,647 pounds trenching machine seamlessly move across challenging terrain, combined with the Goldhofer THP trailer, is an unforgettable experience. Its exceptional transportation, lifting, and storage capabilities, along with its extraordinary power, create an impressive sight showcasing the progress of the construction industry. The massive Komatsu PC 8000, placed on a low-bed Mamawet trailer, is being transported across rugged terrain, creating a magnificent sight. The power of the excavator and the impressive load-bearing capacity of the low-bed trailer draw every eye, making it impossible to look away. The heavy-duty Schwertransport, carrying oversized cargo, including a massive tank, moves through narrow and challenging roads. With a powerful 1,200 horsepower engine, the transport vehicles ensure the heavy tank is moved safely, creating a strong and impressive sight. Oh no. So intense. Lenga excavating with its heavy-duty machinery powerfully demolishes a massive silo. The precise movements and exceptional strength of the excavator quickly crush the heavy silo, creating a magnificent and impressive sight. transporting oversized cargo, including a 96,000-pound transformer, through a snow-covered road is a real challenge. The powerful trucks roll across the bridge along the stream, with their impressive engines easily overcoming the harsh conditions, creating a scene full of strength. You won't believe your eyes. With a 400 horsepower engine, the powerful Kamaz truck charges through the broken creek at a dangerous, daring spot. Starting from the harsh winter road, the truck fearlessly moves the heavy drilling rig, creating a magnificent and breathtaking, dramatic scene. The 45,000-pound steel coil, with its immense weight, is used to crush the car in an instant. The unstoppable destructive power of this massive steel coil turns the car into a pile of scrap metal, creating a dramatic and overwhelming sight. Have you ever witnessed such power? The LaRue 7460, powered by a Detroit diesel 12V71 engine, tirelessly clears snow on icy roads. The roaring sound of the engine, combined with its effective clearing capability, creates a powerful and impressive sight in the harshest conditions. Amid the majestic Alps of France, the Komatsu D375A8, with its powerful and durable engine, conquers the treacherous terrain. This colossal excavator effortlessly crushes tough rocks, creating a symphony of strength in the wild nature